Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will show you how to make a cute little sandal for a baby. This is my sandal for newborn, and I hope you will like it. And let's start. First of all, I will chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the fourth chain, 1, 2, 3 skip, and in the fourth one I will do double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This one is my fourth. 2 double crochet in same stitch. Now make double crochet in all stitches till to the end except one, last one. So make double crochet in all stitches. In the last stitch here, see this one, I will make 6 double crochet. 6 double crochet. I am making 6 double crochet in last chain. 3, 4, 5, and last one 6. Now I will make 1 double crochet as I did before on the opposite side, and I will see you when I reach there. Okay, now see, this is my last stitch. This is my last stitch of the shoe, the end of the shoe from the other side. So I will make 2 double crochet here. 2 double crochet, 1, and this one is my second. Now I will make a slip stitch in the third one. This one I will make a slip stitch. So this is my first round. Now I will chain 1, and in the next stitch I will make single crochet for 2 times, 1 and 2. In the next stitch I will do 2 more single crochet. 1, 1, 1, oops, what the 1, sorry, 1 and 2. Now make 4 single crochet in the row. 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 half double crochet and 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. So we will have 12 double crochet in next stitch, in next 6 stitches 2 times. Now I did my double crochet 2 times in 6 stitches, so I have 12 stitches here. Now then I start my 4 double crochet in a row, then half double crochet, then 4 single crochet as I did here. So in the last of 2 stitches I will do double single crochet. I mean 2 single crochet in each stitch. 1, same, 2, 1, same, 2. Now make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Like this. Now I will make 2 and half double crochet in the next for 2 times. Now 1 double crochet, again 2 double crochet in same stitch, and 1 double crochet, and again 2 half double crochet in same stitch. I am doing half double crochet. Now I will do half double crochet in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitches. One half double crochet. Now I will start my 2 half double crochet in the next chain. So we will have 5 double crochet and 1 double crochet set. This is my one set. Now 1 double crochet, half double crochet in the next 2 half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 half double crochet. So do it for 5 times. Now chain 4 13 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13, and I put a stitch mark here when I count 7 from the middle. So I will remove the stitch mark and make a slip stitch. I made 2 double crochet here too, and then skip 1 2, and in the third I made a slip stitch. So chain 1, chain 1 and turn your work and do double single crochet in the first chain. Now chain 1 till to the end, and in the end do 2 double crochet here, 2 single crochet, sorry, 1 single crochet to the last. Now skip, make a slip stitch in 3, and make double crochet in the first stitch. Now don't increase, do as it is, don't increase, no increase in this round. Make double crochet till to the end. Double crochet till to the end, no increase. I start my single crochet when I finished my double crochet here. Now I start my single crochet, the last row of my upper side, 1 2, and do it till to the end, no increases in it. Now I will insert the hook, skip 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 4. In fifth, insert the hook white and start the back part of the shoe. In the same stitch, make single crochet, and now make single crochet in all stitches till to the end of another side. Now I will count from here, 1 1 2 3 4, and this one is the fifth one. Okay, so go to the end of this line. Again chain 1 and in the same stitch make single crochet. Now single crochet all over to the end of this line. Make same stitch, single stitch, and do it till 1 2 3 4 5 6th row. This one is my last, so do this row for 6 round. Now I made a back side of the shoe, 1 2 3 4 5 6 single crochet all over. So now I made 25 stitches and insert in the first chain of the back part, like this. Now do single crochet all of the stitches, all of stitches do single crochet. Now make 25 stitches from this side too. Now my little shoe, my little sandal is ready to wear, and I hope you will like it. This is the cute little shoe sandal for a newborn baby. So you can put a flower or a beads, anything you want to. You can put it here with glue or you can stitch it. It's up to you. So I hope you will like it. Please subscribe and like my channel, and I will see you in another video soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.